Hello guys, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today I'm gonna show you how to lock and unlock elements and backgrounds in Canva. It's really and simple. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's begin. So first of all, what you want to do, you open your design, you're editing, and let's say for example, you don't want to edit this one anymore. It's like perfectly rounded. You just press here lock, and you can even select more elements to lock. You can select multiple elements if you hold shift and you press it and you press lock. It's already locks the elements. So how to unlock it? You can always do like this. You can select the elements which are locked. Like, okay, let's say for example this one is locked, and you press it here and it unlocks automatically when you press it. Same goes for this ones also. You press the element you want to lock and edit it, and now you can move it. And if you press again lock it, and the element doesn't move everything in the background what you have not locked. So for example, I cannot select this element again. I cannot move this element. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this short tutorial and see you next time.